Hi guys, so today I'm doing a unboxing and review of the products in my November Play by Sephora box. So if you didn't know, Sephora Play box sends you, it's a monthly subscription, and they send you 50 Beauty Insider points that you can use if you buy a product in store. This basically tells you about all the products that you get, and then you got your bag of goodies. So we're about to see what's in the November box, and it's a little different for everyone. There's like 2 or 3 things you can get for each of the products. So first we have this Grande Lips Hydra Pump Liquid Lipstick. Me not being a beauty guru, I don't know if you can that might have been backwards. Then I have Sarah Midini Cream by Dr. Jart. It's a moisturizing retention shield. So with the moisturizer, or if I get a face mask or a cleanser, since I'm going out tonight, I'm gonna do my makeup for going out, so I'm not gonna review those products now, but when I come home tonight, I'll use and review those products. Next thing I got, ooh, I love this brand. I think you say it like Ouai. Wow, the lighting, not good. Anyways, it's a leave-in conditioner. Then I got this Tory Burch perfume. It is just like heaven. It smells like it's good. Oh, I actually have this product already, so I'm really glad I got more of this because I do use it on a daily basis. It's just the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. It's a pretty decent size. There's 0.12 ounces. And then the last product that I got in my November box, I love this product too. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser from Purity. You really can't see it, can you? Oh well, it's really good. I actually use this. It's like a face wash cleanser. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and then when I get to the step where I'm gonna use the powder, I'll review that, and my last step, lipstick, I'll review this. Okay, so I've just applied my foundation and concealer. I know it's a little light. I have a tan right now. I went on vacation, no big deal. I'll fix it with bronzer. So the first product I'm gonna be trying from this box is the Laura Mercier setting powder. It's translucent, which is really nice. Another thing I wanted to mention before I actually get into reviewing all these products is that this Sephora box is $10 a month, and you get the sample size stuff that you would buy in the checkout lane that's $15, $10 to $15 per small size, deluxe sample size or whatever. And if you take the 5 things you get every month divided by the $10 you pay, that means you're essentially paying $2 for each product, which is a really good deal. And we have brands like Dr. Jart and Ouai and Purity, which are expensive. So you're getting really good quality products for not that much. The worst thing you will get, or least expensive things you'll ever get, is Sephora brand, which is still really good. So, okay, I'm just gonna tap a little bit of this powder into the top here, because this is kind of a small container, so it's a little difficult to do. Then I'm just gonna take it with my fluffy brush and go on my cheeks here. For my next step with using this powder is I am going to put a little extra pat under my eyes with a beauty blender, because it helps my concealer to better stay in place. And I also like to apply with a sponge my powder to my forehead, just because I get a lot of creasing. Jeffree Star would not approve, but I move my forehead a lot when I talk. Pros of this product: it really is transparent. It doesn't add white to my face. There won't be flashback in your pictures. You won't have any flashback Mary type problems. Cons of this would be this small packaging from the Sephora box. It only has the 3 holes, which makes it really hard to shake out the product. The big full-size one is super easy to get the product out of. So I have finished my whole makeup look for the night except for lipstick, and we're gonna try out this Grande Lips Hydra Pump Liquid Lipstick in the shade Smoked Cherry. Another thing I wanted to mention about the Sephora box that's really nice is the fact that you can basically try out all these really expensive high-end products for basically $2 a product, like I explained earlier, which is really nice because you can try them out before you buy them. So this is the packaging, really cute. Looks like that. It's the same sort of packaging that their Grande Lash Serum comes in, which by the way is really nice. This is so my color. I love this. Okay, so right away, I noticed that it is a matte lipstick, which is interesting for a plumping. Usually it's a gloss. It's like a doe foot, but it's like pointy. This applicator is really nice if you like to do like a pointed cupid's bow, because like the point, you can just like put it and drag it down, which is what I'm doing. Almost immediately I can feel it kind of being almost like cooling. I think that's like the plumping happening. This is what my lips look like currently. So I know the lines are like not that fine. It's okay, I'll fix it before I go out. I'll check back with you in like 5 minutes and we'll see if the lips have plumped at all. It's been like about 5-6 minutes since I put on the lipstick, and honestly, I don't really know if there's a difference. You know, like how you can kind of feel when it's plumping your lips or whatever. I can kind of feel something going on. It says on the box that after 30 days, if you use it 2 times daily, there's like a very noticeable plumping difference apparently. So I think it's kind of supposed to be used like the lash serum, for example. Like you use it for a while and eventually it will like leave your lips plumper if you keep using it. So that's all I'm gonna do now, because those are the only 2 like makeup-y products that I got in this month's box. So when I get back tonight, I'm gonna be using the Purity cleanser to wash my face and the Dr. Jart face moisturizer to moisturize with before I go to sleep. And then tomorrow morning when I wake up, when I shower, I'm gonna be using this leave-in conditioner after my shower. We'll see how that works. And then I'm gonna use this perfume now because it smelled good. It's really flowery, but not in like a grandma way, in like a fresh, good, sweet, like a peony almost. I don't know the different flower smells. I'm pretty sure it's like a peony smell, but don't quote me on that. I'll see you when I get back from my night. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back from my night. My hair's a mess. It's fine, we've addressed it. And there is a lot of like makeup all over under my eyes and stuff. So I'm going to test out the Purity 3-in-1 cleanser, and we'll see exactly how good this does at really getting off like all the makeup and like cleansing my face. Like I'll tell you how it feels. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I just washed my face using the Purity facial cleanser, and it did, I think, a really good job. It smells amazing. Like it smells like the kind of like when you go to like a high-end hair salon and like, you know, all the products just smell like luxurious. That's what it smells like, but it's not overpowering. It's really good. But overall, like it left my skin feeling really clean. There's no like film on it. You know, sometimes when you wash your face with like not that good of stuff, you kind of feel like tight almost. And, like there's a film on your face. Don't have that at all. My face looks pretty clean. It took all my like foundation type makeup off, like all my face makeup. Okay, so I just showered. Now I'm gonna be using the Dr. Jart moisturizer cream. It's supposed to work for fine lines and wrinkles too, which I guess I can't really like show the progression unless I use it like all the time. So, ooh, it smells really good. Like again, one of those smells that's like luxurious almost. Like, you know, I mean, it's an expensive brand, so like it should smell good. It feels really light. Like it doesn't feel like I'm putting a lot of product on my face. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels really light. Definitely really moisturizing. It's more of a cream than a gel, which is like I usually use the Clinique Moisture Surge, so it's like really like gel and like liquidy, and this is more like a cream, but it feels really good. I definitely am gonna keep using that. Next, I'm just gonna use the spray like leave-in conditioner from Away. I'm gonna use this, then I'm gonna blow dry my hair and see if I feel like it's like softer than usual, like, but wow, okay. Is it gonna work? I guess I'll just like take some out of the thing and like put it in my hair. It smells like the Wave spray. Again, really like high-end, luxurious, like I'm paying a lot for this product type of smell. It feels like it's gonna be good. It doesn't feel heavy on my hair either, which is nice, because a lot of times like leave-in conditioners or oils or like heat protectant type stuff that you put in when your hair is damp and like before you blow it out or whatever. A lot of times they feel almost heavy or like sticky, and I don't get this with this, which is really nice. Just brush it through so it disperses more evenly. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and see if I think it's softer than usual. I have a good feeling about this product. This like pump, like it did not spray at all. I had to like twist it off and dump it in my hand. Very disappointed in that, but we'll see. Oh, it also adds thermal protection, so like if this works good, it's also a heat protectant, which I like because my current heat protectant I don't like the smell of, so I'm trying to change it up, and that smells really good. Okay, so I just blow dried my hair using the leave-in conditioner from Way, and I can say definitely a lot softer than normal. Really easy to brush through. It feels like really light, like when you get your hair done and they like blow it out for you at the salon, and it just feels so like weightless. That's what it feels like. So I would definitely recommend this as like a good heat protectant and leave-in conditioner if you're looking for extra softness. I also feel like it made my hair pretty shiny, but like not in a greasy way. Like a lot of times leave-in conditioner or products that you put in before you blow out your hair can like kind of make your hair like greasy or oily, but this didn't do that at all, and it looks really shiny, like the light's reflecting. Wow. Okay, that is my review on all the products that I got from my Sephora box this month in November. I really liked all of them. I always love all the products. Well, not always, but this month I did, especially because I got 2 products that I already have. So it's always nice to have just like an extra backup. Like if you run out of your big one, you have a little one for a while. And let's talk about the sizes in these boxes. Like this is like a deluxe sample size. Like this is pretty big. So they're really not skimping on the sizes here. Definitely worth your money. I would definitely recommend it. It comes every single month, $10. You don't have to pay for shipping, and you get free 10 points every time that like the order processes, and you get 50 free points that come in the box. At the beginning I talked about this. Here's my card for like 50 free points, and then it has on it like just like makeup tips and tricks on this side and like ideas, and then this side has every single product that came in the box, a description of what it is and how to use it, which is super useful because sometimes I get the product and I'm like, but what is this? Like I'll get these random like skin serums or something, and I'm just like, but what does this do? Well, how do I use it? And that tells you how. New videos coming up a bunch the like next couple months because I have a ton of ideas. Also, if you are in the market for new beauty products, essential oils, weight loss, and nutrition products, I'm a distributor for It Works company, and you can check out my link for my website down below. I'll put it in the description box. Check it out. If you become an LC loyal customer for at least a minimum of 3 months, you get 40% off discount on all of your products, and they're all really great. I personally use a couple of their products. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You can retweet my video links when they go live, and check out what I'm doing in my daily life. Okay, love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.